Okay, so this is where I've got so far with making a weather patch in pure data. I've used abstractions from Andy Farnell's and a few other people that I've managed to find, and so this at the moment is the main patch. So I'll just walk you through it. Over here we've got insects, which are sort of like bugs and frogs. So we've got frogs, crickets, snake, flies and bees, and sort of like critters. A very, very basic thunder strike patch. And then over here we've got wind, a filter for the wind, we've got rain, and we've got additional droplets for the rain, so it sounds like it's coming down a bit harder. So if we switch it on, hopefully you should hear nothing, and then the idea is that we can switch things on so the thunder should work. I've created these line objects to ramp the volume up and down so it doesn't click on and off. So there's your wind, and the wind filter. And so I should be able to just hit that off. And over here we've got rain. I'll switch the rain on, and then I can bring in the droplets as well. So droplets on. There you can hear. Just make it sound like it's falling on some actual material sort of thing, and then combine that with the wind. Chuck thunder in there.